program, Ministry of Health. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Ministry of Health, a National TB and Leprosy Control Program. We are here with our brother Kachina, one of the persons in Uganda who have committed to see that they join our struggle to end TB in Uganda by the year 2030. TB still remains one of the major 10 killer diseases in this country, and as a country we committed to end TB by the year 2030. This is our major challenge, and we lose 20 to 30 people every day. So to solve this problem, we need to work with other people. We are going to run a national campaign where we are going to involve him in all 6 regions.
Twayigita hamwe twarwanisa TB mu Uganda kandi kibasika kandi kimanye ku TB wachereza bucirikare ukashango jine ugitweetinga nature nogera buza nature kandi TB wachereza ne kuteganisa okura buza TB no kwabusha no kuchebeza no kwabusha basebona banyabo mwe tushabatu wegite turwanise TB ewe omwihanga yakwika 2023 omuna makutu ko mako live TB free de TB ewe omwihanga prevent chimanyisa yetanga yikumi test ari chebeza bucirikare treat jiraguze washanga yakwasire twena ntushaba media kwetu eta tukagamba tukahwerana tukareba kuturarwanise TB.